आप बात कर लीजिए, सैमुअल संगमा के बारे में पूछ रहा था। नहीं,
This is to inform in many places in media about the Samuel Sangma Hotel. It was given that the hotel was in Gurgaon and some places it was written in Delhi. And to confirm, we called the dad of Samuel Sangma, Mr. Shekhar Ganguly, and we had confirmed that the hotel is in Green Park. We are doing complete research before we make any video.
welcome to the Boy Guide. This is your host Harshit Dingon. As we all are fighting for late Samuel Sangma and Rosie Sangma, and as I promised you that we are going to fight for the justice, and many people requested us that kindly check the hotel and the CCTV, and many people are right now, they are not satisfied with the investigation that is going on, and even the authorities have already declared that Samuel Sangma, he had done suicide. And they are saying like this as per the authorities and the police as well, but the parents are not ready to accept. Many people are saying it was a murder, and hence we are here to check the CCTV footage. And so we are going to go inside the hotel live in front of you, and we are going to check whether they are going to say something or not. जानते हैं दोस्तों कि आखिर वो हमसे बात करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे। हम इस होटल में, अमल्टस होटल में, तो जहाँ पे आप लोग, कुछ लोग कह रहे सुसाइड है, कुछ मर्डर है, और कुछ लोग कह रहे CCTV फुटेज चेक करने को। लेकिन इस वीडियो से पहले अगर आप हमारे साथ इस वीडियो को देख के जुड़ना चाहते हैं, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू जस्ट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर इनिशिएटिव. We are on a mission to make the world a better place. To be a part, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to share the video, ताकि सच्चाई का पता लगे, ताकि हम इस आवाज को आगे तक और ऊपर तक लेके जा सके. चलते हैं होटल के अंदर और देखते हैं आखिरकार होता क्या है. चलते हैं लाइव, लेट्स गो. तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, अमल्टास होटल का बोर्ड आप देख सकते हैं सामने. तो वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन रिसेप्शन एंड वी आर गोइंग टू, आ जाओ. मैम कहाँ गए रिसेप्शन पे? हाँ जी, बुला लीजिए मैम को एक बार. तो गाइस, वी आर इन दिस होटल राइट नाउ एंड we'll try to ask them कि आखिरकार वो हमसे बात करते हैं कि नहीं. पहले हम मास्क लगा लेते साथ में. भैया मैम को बुला लीजिए जरा. आप ही अभी. मैम कहाँ गए? अच्छा भैया, यहाँ पे सैमुअल संगमा.
मुझे पता नहीं.
आपको नहीं पता? नए आए हैं. अच्छा, कहाँ गए मैम? रिसेप्शन मैम आ रहे हैं. अच्छा, नहीं कोई नहीं. So guys, we are going to ask them about the CCTV and check the details also, and we are just waiting. Where are the reception? I think they might have seen us because we were shooting outside. They might have seen us. We don't know about the fact, but nobody is here. Why it is always happening that when we went to the hospital as well, people ran away. Now we are at the hotel. Now the people ran away. Why this is happening, guys? Big question mark. Comment in this video right away, right now, so that we can get to know we can get to know exactly what is the honest opinion about it. It's very important. And we are in this hotel, Amaltas Hotel, and this is Amaltas International in Green Park right now. You can see, guys. So we will talk to the receptionist also. सर, बात करने के लिए भेज दीजिए किसी को. कोई है नहीं बात करने के लिए? कोई तो होगा. आप ही बात कर लीजिए. आप बात कर लीजिए. सैमुअल संगमा के बारे में पूछ रहा था. नहीं, मना कर, guys they have denied us and I think ये बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं सर। चलो ठीक है, तो मना कर दिया सर इन्होंने, आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, इन्होंने मना कर दिया हमें बिना परमिशन के, कह रहे कि आपने अंदर कैसे आने दिया। They are hiding the facts and figure guys, they don't want to show the figure and guys please share this video as much as possible, we are running away, bye, see you, कट कर निकल। Guys you've seen के हम वहाँ पे अंदर गए, वहां पे हमने बात करने की कोशिश की, गार्ड ने बात नहीं की। सबसे पहले तो सब स्टाफ ही भाग गया था, रिसेप्शन पे कोई भी नहीं बैठा था, और जब एक व्यक्ति मिले तो वो इंसान कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने डिनाई कर दिया, कह रहे आपको परमिशन नहीं, आप जाओ, भागो यहां से। फिर हमें भी थोड़ा डर लगा कि शायद कोई हमें भी खतरा हो सकता है, तो वहां से निकल के डायरेक्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो हब है एनसीसी गेट और सफदरजंग, यहां पर आ गए ताकि हमें कोई कुछ कह ना सके। एंड समहाउ दिस इज अ वेरी बिग एक्सपोज गाइस, बिकॉज the hotel authorities, or you can say the hotel staff, denied completely to speak to us, to speak to the voice of youth. They tried to hide the facts or not, we really don't know, but they definitely try to avoid us. They definitely try to really just say you are not allowed. They try to just throw us out. They do not want us to check the CCTV. They don't want us to know the truth. Why it is happening, guys? We want all the nation, the complete nation, the complete Northeast to unite together now. And this is the time. If you are not going to unite, this is the time the Northeast might suffer if you will not unite together and fight for the justice and fight for the truth. This is the time. We, the people, we, the youth, and together we are the voice of youth, and we have to make the world a better place. The only way to make the world a better place is by uniting together. And to be a part of this initiative, my friend, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon and share the video, so that this voice and this image of the hotel as well, where the Samuel Sangma was, people are saying that, and the authorities are also saying that he done suicide. That hotel completely denied media entry, they denied our entry, and they are trying to hide the facts or not. We don't know, but they definitely do not want to talk about it. Why? We want to raise the question on the hotel. Why you don't want to talk to the voice of youth? Why you don't want to show the CCTV footage? Why the CCTV footage is not public? We really want to know the truth. Nation want to know the truth. Northeast want to know the truth. The people, the youth want to know the truth. Guys, this is the high time. Please इस चैनल के साथ जुड़िए, एंड इस टाइम अगर आप नहीं जुड़े, आगे बहुत खतरा हो सकता है. And as I said, we are going to fight for the justice, and we are going to get the justice. Justice for late Samuel Sangma, and justice for Rosie Sangma. Justice for Northeast India. We are here together, and we're gonna make the world a better place. And always remember, guys, love always wins. See you.